At this time, there are no fish advisories or recreational advisories for the Columbia River, and fishing and recreational activities in the Columbia River have been determined to be safe and continue to be safe. We are aware that right now is a time when Chinook salmon are traveling upriver, and we have worked to mitigate impacts that might affect our wildlife that depend on the Columbia River. Everyone involved in this response cares deeply about these natural resources. We know that fish living in the ditch died in the initial release of material into the ditch and the connecting sloughs. Everyone involved in the observation of dead fish is actively working to determine safe access to those fish in order for us to collect them. At this time, we have collected 23 fish. The species that we have collected are carp, catfish, and bluegill. During the initial release of product into the ditch, when the pumps were shut off, there were a number of fish that were trapped that we can't access. Right now, because of steep and slippery slopes, we understand that we won't be able to collect all the fish that are currently dead in these ditches. As we continue to flush the ditches, we do anticipate that some of the dead fish that we cannot recover will be discharged during pumping activities. Any fish that are observed dead in the Columbia River are anticipated to be from these ditches. We have not observed any dead fish in the Columbia River as a result of the discharging activities themselves. We are telling members of the public not to attempt to collect or touch dead fish. We do have a wildlife hotline that we are actively monitoring, and we ask that the public report any observances of dead fish or impacted wildlife to that number. That number is 1-800-22-BIRDS or 1-800-222-4737, and provide a detailed location for where those observations took place. We are monitoring and continue to monitor the effects to the ditch as well as the Columbia River, and are working in collaboration with the United States Coast Guard to implement safety measures and advisories as needed.